Happy spooky Halloween, friends! Definitely headstands are the scariest yoga postures for beginners. Not only do they require skill, but also trust and focus to be able to hold a pose. When we are able to achieve them, headstands calm the mind, strengthen the upper body, spine, and core. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over step by step how to achieve a headstand. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Starting in Hero's Pose tutorial up top, lean forward to be able to place your forearms on the mat with your hands interlaced. Open up your elbows like a tripod wide enough to support and place the crown of the head on the mat, with your hands touching the back of your head. Make sure your neck is straight with the very top of your head as a supporting point. Tuck your toes under to be able to extend the legs and begin to walk your feet towards your face. Raise one leg up to the sky as you engage more your core and press against the ground with your forearms. Raise the other leg and seal the space between the inner thighs. Tuck the glutes. Find your center of gravity. Remember to keep your core engaged the whole time your legs are up. As you become stronger, you may advance in your practice by bending one knee at a time, by bringing the bottom of your feet together and opening the legs out to the side. As you move in your inversion, it is important to find a focal point that will keep you stable, centered, and grounded. In my case, I was outdoors and it was a windy day. I couldn't find a stable object, so I placed my tennis shoe in front of me and focused on it as I moved. To come out of the pose, maintain the legs extended together and gently land your feet on the ground. It is recommended to get into child's pose as a nice counter posture to a headstand. In this pose, take time to relax, recover, and allow the flow of blood to come back to normal. Headstands are challenging, frustrating, and at times scary. The key is to expect to fall many times and to learn how to properly fall on your mat. Maybe placing blankets around you or practicing on the wall first is also recommended. Once you lose the fear of falling, you will be able to flow better. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, namaste.